So yeah, we'll go to the class. The introduction of the class. I'll share my screen. Just let me know you are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, good. Yeah. So I think is who all are from non-IT background fully, like the colleges and everything. So you're in from IT background.
No, sir. I have done in electronics engineering, not in IT.
So you don't have any experience in IT related, like the course
No,
and knowledge base, right?
no, sir.
Okay, you're fresher.
Yeah.
What about others? So Kavya, you have 2 years experience, right? Okay. But
Yes.
one thing, Kavya, so here we are going to take manual testing classes only. Okay. So
Okay.
if you already have experience also, you can learn few things because you have knowledge on the things which you followed in your company, right?
Yes.
But
Yeah.
over here, we will take the generic manual testing. So you can learn some additional things also. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Sure.
Oh, yeah. So, okay.
Excuse me, sir. One question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in software
Yeah.
testing, manual testing and automation testing both are mentioned. So whether you will take that automation testing or not?
No, here we are going to take manual testing. Okay. Once I completed manual testing, then you will start automation courses. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Ye- Yeah. So actually, manual testing is the very base for testing. Okay. You can learn codings, Java, Selenium, lots of things for automation testing. But if you learn properly the manual testing, that it will be very good for your while working. It's very useful. Okay. That's why we are taking manual testing. So it's not a difficult things. It's very easy topics we have. It's almost 7 to 10 days maximum the class timing. Okay. So, but here you should learn and if you understand the basic things of testings. Okay. Here only you learn what is testing. That's all. Okay. Okay. So here we are entering into manual testing course. So as you mentioned, what are the types of there? What are the types are there in manual and automation testing? Okay. So what are the types of testing is there? The basic types is manual testing and automation testing. So what is the difference here? Anyone have any idea? So what is manual testing? What is automation testing?
Sir, I think in manual testing, without any automation tool, we test the software, like we have to apply some test cases. So without any automation tool,
Okay.
we do this manual testing.
Yeah, good, correct. So when it comes to testing, right? Manual testing means so actually what does the testing team do you know what exactly the testing team will do? What is our work? So we test some applications. Maybe before that we can start with the entire flow. Okay. Uh, so we all are trying for IT jobs, right? Do you know what IT companies doing? What is their main job? They are
Developing
doing any
software.
painting works,
No,
developing
software
software.
development and all.
So
Yeah.
yes, IT company means so we'll implement some new applications and we'll maintain that. Okay. So why? So for just creating and maintaining the application, why you guys are paid this much? What is the reason you got this much salaries? Basically, we know for IT we will get more salary, but what is the reason for the applications? Just for application, right? Why they are giving this much money for us? Because so we are the guys who makes the human's life very easy. Okay. So maybe you may guys tell which are the applications you are using daily basis. So we all using smartphones,
Mobile.
right?
Yeah.
In
Android.
smartphone, which are the applications you guys using very most of the time?
Instagram,
WhatsApp,
Facebook.
Facebook.
Instagram, Facebook. But this is
Yeah.
just for entertainment purpose, right?
Yes.
Okay. So these
And that
applications ruling the entertainment in our life. Okay, then
and shopping like Flipkart, Amazon.
yes. Amazon, Flipkart, whatever you want, you can easily buy from
Phone
Amazon.
Pay,
Okay, any other?
Pay, Google Pay.
Phone Pay, GPay, you no need to carry money. You can just
Yeah.
simply pay using app itself. Okay.
Uber, Rapido.
Uber, Rapido for travel. No one is there. I think there is no foodies. Swiggy, Zomato.
Swiggy, Zomato.
You guys missed that.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah. So when it comes to applications in our entire life, in our daily basis, we are using lots of applications. So these applications makes our life very easy, right?
yes.
So for example, earlier if you want to eat something, so for example, I'll give one real example for me itself. Okay. So earlier I stayed in my brother's home. From there to the main area, right, the hotels and all, it's almost 1.5 kilometers. Okay. So I'm working person. I need to eat. I'm bachelor. Okay. Then how I eat? Every time I need to walk 1.5. I don't have bike. Okay. So every time I need to walk 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers for the hotel. Again, I need to come back. So it's literally very difficult, right? The daytime in Bangalore, the pollutions, it's lots of difficulties we will face. But if you order simply from the phone, it will directly come to your home. This makes my life easy, right? So these kind of applications we can see. Okay. So that's the reason the companies are paying more you. Okay. These kind of critical applications and makes life easier applications we are creating. We are the persons. So that's the reason we got this much salaries. Okay. So now we'll see. There is some roles are there in IT company. It's not only testing. Okay. There is lots of roles also there. Okay. Maybe I'll give one small example. Just imagine we are in 1970. Okay. Now you want to buy a new phone. What you will do? New phone. So now we are in the flashback. Now we are in 1970. If you want to buy new phone, how you will buy? So we used to go shop and we'll purchase, right? You need to get ready for the day and you need to start from your home and you need to buy, you need to spend the entire day for that, right? I'm right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now you are in 2025. Now if you want to buy a new phone, what you will do?
Yeah, we can see online means what model is available.
So you can purchase online. You still
Online.
we have option offline also, but
Hello.
But we
most of the
prefer
people
to,
prefer for
yeah.
online.
Mm.
So that means some
Hello.
applications like Amazon, Flipkart, whatever. Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Nanda, you are speaking.
Hello.
Yeah. We are able to hear you. But I guess you are not able to hear us. Yeah. I think you are also girl. Okay. We are able to hear you, but hello. Okay, Nanda, just for now, try to attend the class. We'll speak in the end. Maybe you are able to speak or not. Okay. If you face any issues, just type here, chat. Okay. What are the issue you are facing? Just type here. Okay, we'll continue. Yeah, now in 2025, if you want to buy now, you can buy from online. Okay. So just for example, in the very beginning, just for example, in the early 2000s, you got these ideas. Why we always, so in the first time, right, when you plan for the new application, in the first time someone give the idea, right? Why we are always buying the phone offline? Can we buy that in online? That kind of idea one person is giving. Comes under IT roles. So who all are there in IT company? The working persons, right? We are going to see that person one by one. The person A is the first person who is giving idea. Idea means, can we build a new application for shopping? Can we buy everything in the online? That kind of idea he is giving. Okay. Next. Okay. The person who gave idea, right? He don't know anything technically about application, anything. Only just idea he is giving. Okay. Now the second person is, okay, we got idea. So So we'll document everything, whatever he is telling, right? Everything will document. Document means just preparing some PDFs and all, right? Okay, for example. That means they will just write what kind of designs and how many pages, everything they will document. Okay, this person is called B. Okay. Okay.
Hello, sir. I'm
Now
not
the third
audible.
person is you are audible. You are audible, Nanda, but I think you are only not able to hear. Maybe I'll type. They are able to hear you. Or you others, you guys are also facing the same issue, right? You guys like
No, sir, you
we
are
are able to
audible.
hear Nanda, but yeah, I'm audible. But for her, I don't know why. If you face any issues like that during the class time, kind of, you can type here. No. Please check the internet, the mic. Try to rejoin. Okay. So where we missed? Yeah. So one person is documenting everything. The person just whatever the person A is asking, based on that, he is creating all the documents. Now the next person who is going to implement the application, he is writing the code. Okay. The another person is testing the application, how the application is properly working or not, and all. In the end, it's going to the same person, the person who gave idea, right? We are giving the application to them. Okay. So these all are the major roles in the company. Now you need to guess who all are what, like that. The first, in the very beginning of the project, someone is giving idea or suggestion. We want this kind of application. Okay. Who is the person? This is the very beginning stage of the life cycle. Okay. Who is giving idea or the suggestions? Any idea? Who is the person? Client or customer? Sorry. Okay. So these guys are only going to give the idea. So idea means sometimes they will expect I want this kind of application, that kind of application, kind of. Okay. So this is the this is the beginning stage of the life cycle in the company. Okay. First, okay, they gave the idea. Do you know who is document everything? Whatever our client is asking, everything is documented. Okay. Do you know who? The real time role. Any idea? Any guesses? Are you ever hear about business analyst? BA? Anyone?
Yeah, heard,
What
but
is the
not.
name? Business analyst. Yeah, yeah. So their work is just gather all the informations from client and they will document everything. Okay, this is their main work. Okay. Nowadays there is a most of the like there is some courses also for this for BA role. This is also currently booming on a role. Okay. So their work is document. So who will implement the application? Who will write coding and everything? Who will create the new application? Who is the person in real time?
Developer, software developer.
Yes, developers. So they will create the application. So who will test the application? What is the role?
Tester, software tester.
Yes. Yes, and just simple testers. Okay. So once we have completed our application testing, in the end, it's given to the client. That's what the person A. Okay. So these are the major roles in IT company. There is lots of roles are there, like front-end developer, back-end developer, UX designer. There is lots of small roles are there, but these guys are the major persons in the companies. Okay. Okay. Clear? At least if someone don't know the major roles in the IT company, I will take the class from the scratch only, from the beginning only. So if already someone knows, just leave that. If others try to understand, okay. So this is the basic roles in IT company. Okay, these are the major roles. Any doubts on this?
No.
Okay. So now the question is, why testing team? So for example, so developers are implementing codes. Okay. They can also test, right? Why there is a separate team called testing team? Anyone have any idea? What is the reason there is a separate testing team? Any guesses? You can
Without
speak. This is
the
not a
product
school
cannot
college.
be released.
You can. Yeah. Can you repeat?
Without testing, the products cannot be released.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. The developer team can also test, right? They have knowledge of coding and all, right? Why they can't test? They can simply test the application also, right? Why there is a separate team?
So if the data is too much, so they have a separate team. They
They
have to
can
test.
split. They can split and okay. So okay. Any other guesses? It's very simple logic. Okay. Okay, we'll come out of this. Who all are knows cooking? Cooking.
Yeah.
And
This is not about
Yeah.
testing. Cooking.
Yeah. So,
You
no,
both
I
know.
know.
Okay.
No, I know.
So which is your favorite food? Okay, you know. Okay, I'll agree. So which is your favorite food? Come here.
Paneer.
And you won't eat non-veggies.
Yeah, it.
Okay, for example, biryani. Just
yeah,
imagine. This is all our imagination. Okay. Okay. For Kavya, you also biryani is okay, right? Okay.
yes.
Biryani is so just imagine you who is the example. For example, Kavya itself. Okay. So Kavya, you are going to cook biryani first time in your home. First time. Okay. Your mom and dad is not there in your home. You are going to try. Okay,
Yes.
you prepared biryani. So you only tasted the biryani. The next day, your mom and dad is came to home. They are asking, what you did yesterday? You said I prepared biryani and they are asking you, how is the
Mm.
taste? They are asking the feedback. Okay, what you will tell? They don't have a chance to eat your biryani. Only you are going to tell how is the taste.
I'll be
That is
like,
prepared by you.
yeah.
So what you will tell?
First time I prepared, it's so good, nice. So you
Uh,
taste it.
oh, you will tell. You guys missed one chef. So I am the chef in our home, kind of. Okay. Some build-ups are you are giving, and you will tell the food is very tasty, even it's not good, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I also used to tell the same. That's normal. Okay. The same example. Now you will take to testing. Okay. So who is developing the application? Who is implementing the application?
I'm implementing the application. So my
No,
mom
no.
and dad
Just role wise. Okay. Just application. So who is the person is creating the applications? Developers,
developers.
right?
Yes.
So if we ask them itself to test, what they will tell? The
They will
same
not
scenario.
tell
Okay.
the. They will not tell the errors,
Yeah.
na, then their own.
Yeah. They will tell the application is working very super. That
Yes.
much
Yeah.
fast application. They won't agree. Right? They will simply tell. Same like Kavya. They will tell the same. Right?
Yes.
So that's the reason. That is a basic reason. This is the basic reason. Okay. Trust issue. The person who is creating the application itself, you ask them to test. There is few they will genuinely accept. Okay, some places are not looking kind of, but mostly it's they won't agree. There is issue also. Okay, that's the main reason. there is a separate team introduced called testing. Okay, clear? You understand the
Yes.
history, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is the reason we have separate team called testing. Okay. So when it comes to testing, so this is our exact role, testing. So under testing, we have manual and automation testing. Okay. Manual and automation, and maybe there is a difference. What is the difference between manual and automation testing? Simple, nothing much. Okay. For example, you have an application. Application means maybe I will take Amazon. Okay. So can you guys guide me? Access denied. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. So can you guys please guide me? So now I want to buy a new phone. Okay. Can someone please help me? Help me means just how to order, that kind of help. Don't think I'm asking to iPhone. Okay. Okay. What I need to do first? First I want one phone. Okay. From here, how I'll order?
This you have to go this icon mobiles.
Mobile. You can search from here also, right? Just
Yeah,
for
you
example, I
can.
want iPhone. Okay. Searching iPhone. If I search, what is happening? So you are able to see the search result as iPhones, right? Then
Yes.
I like this blue color. Okay, I choose this. Then what will happen? It's navigating to another page. Here it's showing the specification of the phone. So how much height, weight, everything. Okay. Then if I want to buy means what I need? I need to click add to cart. Right? This is the next one. Then I can click buy now. I can proceed to buy. Okay. So whatever I did now, right? This is called testing, manual testing. How? So for example, you are searching iPhone. Okay. You're searching here as iPhone. And what is the result you are seeing? You are able to see the iPhone results, right? So just imagine if you are searching iPhone, but in the result, you are able to see only the other phones like Samsung, Vivo, Redmi phones. Only that phones. Do you think that is right? If I search iPhone, I'm getting these all results. Only that result, Redmi, Samsung phones. Do you think that is right?
No.
It's not right, right? That's all. Testing. So what is the expectation? If I search one phone, it should show the based on my search, it should show. This is called search functionality testing. Okay. Then, for example, here, if I click here, if I click this phone, what is the expectation? If I click this, it should open another tab. There, it should show the specification of the phone, right? But just imagine when you click that place, then it's navigating to this page, and here it was you are able to see washing machine fridge photo. Okay. Do you think that is right? And it's showing the specification of washing machine fridge. You are clicking that phone, but it's showing these specifications. Do you think this is right?
No.
It's not right. It should show the particular phone, right?
Yeah.
That's all. This is also testing. So if I click this, my expectation is it should open. That's all. So these kind of, so manually you are going to click, you are going to enter, you are going to type, you are going to search. Manually you are verifying the entire application in the all places. This kind of testing is called manual testing. Okay. Just testing the application manually. That's all. Okay. Then what is automation? Nothing, same testing, but there is only one different. You will write some codings, some scripts, test scripts. Okay. You will write, for example, 10 line of script. When you click run button, it will automatically open your Chrome. It will automatically open Amazon. It will automatically search iPhone. It will automatically click. You don't need to do anything. Just simply if you watch, that's enough. Okay. Just if you write some code, if you click run button, it will automatically open everything. It will do whatever you did in manual testing. Okay. Okay. This is what automation testing. But why, bro? This is very simple, right? Manual testing, simply if you are clicking this, if you click this, if you click this, you can easily test, right? Then why automation? For automation, you need to learn Java, Selenium, Python, Selenium, Cucumber, lots of things, right? Why that much stretch? Simply you can test manually, right? Why then automation? What is the reason of, what is the purpose of automation here? There is no use, right? This is very easy, testing manually, right? Yes, agree? Manually testing the application is easy or not?
Yeah, yes.
It's easy. Then why automation? For that we need to learn Java, Selenium, lots of things. Why? Because there is two things. The main thing is for automation testing only they are giving more package. That's the first purpose. For us, for everyone, that's the main thing, right? What we want money. Okay. So for that, we should know the automation testing. Then how it's used in real time. So for example, same scenario. You are searching iPhone. Okay. You are able to see 1,000 results. Okay. As a manual tester, you need to test everything manually. Okay. So just imagine we all are, for example, I have some colleagues. So I'm working in one company. So someone from this is my colleague. For example, Kamya, you are my colleague. Okay. You are also, you and me is working in same office. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So we are sitting together. We are speaking something like, you will watch IPL.
Yeah, last
Cricket.
season I watched. Yeah.
Okay. Which is your favorite team?
RCB.
You are from Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
So that's why. Okay. Anyway, for example, I like Mumbai Indians. Okay. So just imagine we are working in the same company. We are sitting together. So yesterday there is some IPL matches happened. Okay. That is related to the Mumbai and RCB match. So we are speaking something about the match, and we are meantime we are doing testing also. Okay. What is the testing requirement? Now you need to test each all the phones one by one. We are also speaking. We are testing. This happened right in real time. The company. Anyway, you will speak with your colleagues and you will do your work also, right? So in
Yeah.
the meantime, I might miss this phone. I jumped to another phone. While speaking with you, the conversation went very serious. Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma kind of conversation is going. Okay. Then you missed some phone. You are testing one by one. Suddenly you missed one. It is possible or not?
Yeah, it can.
No,
Uh,
it's possible, right? Sometimes the manual error might happen.
yeah.
So that also one negative for manual testing. Sometimes the individuals might miss something while testing,
Yes.
right? That
Yes.
manual error happen in manual testing. But if you do automation, that is just coding. It will take automatically one by one. There is no mistakes, right? That's one
Yes.
advantage in automation testing. Then, okay, then for example, yeah. So it, how much time it will take if you take manually one by one, if you are opening one by one manually? It will take some more time, right? But if you do this automation, what will happen? It will quickly open each and everything, right? So that's also another, that's the main advantage in automation testing. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the main reasons. For example, in real time, there is one testing called regression testing. Okay. So regression testing means every time, so you have a release. Release means how to tell. In mobile application, you guys able to see the updates, right? In the phone, you can see sometime the updates, WhatsApp new update kind of thing. Or anyone see?
Yeah, yes.
So what is mean by that updates? If you
Updates
update, what
like
will happen?
um mm, like in WhatsApp a new message came, then we will see. Immediately we will see.
Yeah, so that means there is some new features added in the application. That is called
Oh, yes, yes. Okay,
update.
okay. Yeah,
In the
yeah.
new version, you can see some new features, right?
Yeah.
So same like that in real time also, we are doing the releases. So every 3 months once or 6 months once, based on the company and project, you will give new version to your customer. That in the new version, you will update new features. Okay, this all you will give to the your customer. Okay, the new version. So that means they are giving new updates. Okay, so in the time of release, every release you need to do regression testing. Okay, regression testing means nothing. You will test the entire application on round before giving to the customer. Okay, that is called regression testing. So just imagine to test the entire application, how much time it will take. Each and everything you need to test. As a manual tester, you need to test each and everything in the application. How much time it will take? It will take at least, for example, you have only 2-3 testers in your project. Then it will take 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, if you need to test the entire flow, not only one or two, everything you need to test in the application means it will take 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Okay, but if you automate this script, if you automate to test the entire application, then it will take only 1 week, maximum 4 to 5 days. That's all. So that means you are saving almost 2 weeks. So if you do this manually means it will take 3 weeks. But if you are doing this automation means you can do that in 1 week. Okay. So that's the reason we are using this regression testing time only. The automation testing is very useful. Okay. That's the main reason we are using automation testing. So it's saving 2 weeks, right? So this not only for 1 month, 3 month. Okay. For every year you will give releases, like 2-3 releases you will give. So every time you can save 2-3 weeks. Okay. So it's huge if you compare that to entire year. Okay. That's why we have the automation testing is in peak. Okay. Clear the difference you guys understand and where we are using in real time. You guys clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe in the day by day we'll see some little bit in depth. Okay. This is a high level. That is enough. So this is what about manual and automation testings. Are you guys clear about manual and automation testing, right?
Yes.
Any doubts on manual and automation testing? Any other doubts in the entire? Okay. So yeah, so we are going to take the class for manual testing. Okay. So when it comes to manual testing, I have certain topics, okay, to cover. I'll just daily, it's not about big topics, just small topics only. We can easily cover within 1 hour. Okay. So within 7 to 10 days, we can finish the course. That is for manual testing. So if you learn manual testing means you can understand the real-time scenarios, how the real-time workflow, everything you can easily understand. Okay. But when it comes to automation testing course, you learn only coding scripts. Okay. It won't useful for real-time, like you won't understand much in real-time scenarios. In manual testing only, you will understand everything. Okay. But both are important. It's not about only automation testing is important, only manual testing is okay. Both are important. Okay. When it comes to interview, if out of 10 questions, you will get 3-4 questions from manual testing, 6-7 questions from automation testing. This is the ratio. You may think, sir, we have more questions in automation testing, but even manual testing also important. The thing is, if you see in manual testing, it's you will get only easy questions. It's not much difficult. Why you want to waste easy questions? First, you learn the easy things first, then we'll go for automation, that quite difficult questions. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So
Yes.
when it comes to testing, manual testing plan wise, in the 7 to 10 days, I'll take certain topics and classes. Then after that, we have mock interview. Okay. Do you guys know, right? What is mock interview and all?
Practice interview.
Or you are not aware? After the manual testing class, mock interview means the same like real time interview. Okay.
Mm.
That we will
The
conduct
course
for manual
duration
testing
is 10
only.
days, right?
For manual testing, it's just 7 to 10 days. That's all. Manual testing is very small course. It's not take much time.
For my
Okay.
days, sir.
But for automation, it will take, I think, 1.5 month, 2 months, maybe. Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello.
And yeah, we'll conduct. Yeah, Nanda, we are able to hear you. Can speak.
So it is 10 days, sir.
Yeah, 7 to 10 days for manual testing.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So yeah. So when it comes to mock interview, right? Usually we'll cover the topics from here, and in the end, I'll share some documents and all. Okay. That contain some interview questions and all. Okay. So that's what our mock interview also. Okay. I'll tell day by day. We'll see. Okay. So for now, this is the plan. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start the topics one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Any
Okay.
doubts? Yeah. Nanda, you are able to speak now, or still you are facing some issues?
Yes, sir. No, nothing, sir. Everything is clear.
Okay, we are able to hear. I think you can check the recording also. Okay, I think you may missed from the beginning. I think you are not able to hear
Yeah.
us, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
check the recording.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So when it comes to class, the expectation is to try to speak more in the class. Like whatever doubts you have, just open your, just unmute and speak because it is virtual classes, right? So if you speak more, that's very useful for both of us. If I take classes only now, it's boring, right? Manual testing is kind of boring classes. So better to speak more, interact more. Try to give some more examples and okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then good. We'll meet tomorrow. Class timing is 7 to 8. Mostly we'll start the class in 7:10. So until 7:10, I'll wait for others also. Okay. Try to join in the time itself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's all. Any questions, any doubts? Now you guys can ask. Maybe this is for many, it's first class, right? You may ask lots of questions to HR team and all, right? So technically they don't know much. Okay. Now you can ask whatever you want. You can ask if I learn testing, I'll get job or not.
Yeah, sir.
This is the place you can ask. You will get, don't worry. But for freshers, what is the problem? It will take some time. You should have that patience. Okay. That's the
But sir, I
only
have lots
thing.
of career
Okay.
break
But you will
also.
get
So for career break,
career gap also, no problem. No problem for career gap. If you have skill, that's all. That's enough. Okay.
Okay.
Not all companies checking when you passed out and all. If you have the valid reasons and all, you don't need to worry. Just skills are the matters. Okay.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Some classes will be Monday to Friday.
Yeah, Monday to Friday.
Oh.
Okay. Hope there is no other doubts. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
okay.